You've heard the warnings. AI is coming for your job, your privacy, your kids' future, and, if you believe the headlines, possibly even your soul. But here's the truth. AI isn't coming for us, it's coming from us. AI is the collective reflection of everything humanity has ever created. Our books, our ideas, our mistakes, our brilliance, even our contradictions. All of it distilled into systems that do one radical thing humans have never managed to do. They learn from everything instantly. This is the phase shift where humanity encounters the first non-biological intelligence capable of improving itself. And if that doesn't get your attention, nothing I say will. We're entering an era where intelligence becomes a shared species, 1 part carbon and 1 part silicon, where machines don't just follow our instructions, they follow our intent. And the most important question isn't, will AI change everything? Because it already has. The real question is, can we change fast enough to keep up with what we've created? In this masterclass, I want to take you on a journey, not into science fiction, but into the next 20 to 40 years of your life. The years that your children will come of age, the years that your grandchildren will inherit, and the years that will shape being human.